Today I'm gonna get rid of this, and I got the ZHP OEM BMW weighted shift knob, the one that everybody gets for this car because I think it looks sick, and it'll be like a little bit shorter than this guy. So it's not gonna be a long video. I'm just gonna get to it, and I'm actually gonna have to turn the car off to do this, which sucks because it's hot as balls. So whatever. All right, let's just do it. So I heard you put it in second, and then you just pull on it. So let's see how that goes. Oh, I feel it. Oh. All right, so old one off, unbox the new one. Boom. Dude, and this compared to this, so look, a little bit shorter, way heavier, like way heavier. And to install it, make sure it's straight. I think we just go ahead and put her back in neutral. I think she's in there. Yo. Oh, that feels cool. That feels nice. Let me know, do y'all leave your shit parked in gear? I always do. All right, let's go for a little drive though. Like I said, I'm not gonna make a long video because it's literally just a shift knob, but it is sick. I'm gonna see if maybe it feels a little cool, like going from gear to gear, but dang, I actually really like how that looks because I also have the M Sport pedals from the previous owner. Next, I really want to get a steering wheel, the M Sport steering wheel at least. That's all I need. I don't need anything special. And then it'll look so sick with all the M Sport stuff. So let's go for a little drive. Very M Sporty. Feeling it. It actually does feel really nice because it is like way heavier. So like when you throw it up, you know what I mean? Like you just can, I don't know. It does look way cooler though. Like I feel like, where is it? This one? Dude, I'm sorry, but like this is the worst shift knob on the planet. Like it's so ugly to me. My dad's Z4 has it, and I think it's the ugliest freaking thing, dude. I was kind of sick when I bought this car and I had it. I was like, damn, bro, the guy didn't, of all the things, he didn't upgrade. Didn't upgrade the freaking shift knob. Yeah, this thing's dope, dude. It also feels way cooler because it's like the smooth leather. It's not the like little leather, like the leather, like the steering wheel, like that leather one is. And it's a little shorter too. Super M Sport. Easily plus 10 horsepower. Easily. Could be 20. thing's sick, dude. I knew I was gonna like it. I mean, it's such a simple little mod, if you can even call it that. But yeah, it's way better than this one. Oh, it just looks so sick, dude. Like in the sunlight with the M Sport, like, oh, bro, that looks so cool. And I like this one better than the normal like M Performance one. It really does look way better. Feels better. Feels way better than this. Like, just look at the difference in how it's like. This one would come up to here normally. Like, ugh. So nice.